The future of military technology is no longer just about weapons, but about the integration of artificial intelligence. AI is set to reshape how nations defend and protect their people. But what does this mean for the soldiers on the ground and the scientists developing this cutting-edge technology?
Today, we explore the revolutionary role artificial intelligence is playing in military operations, from autonomous drones to battlefield decision-making systems. I'll be speaking with military officers and AI experts to understand how this technology will shape the future of warfare. Colonel, how do you envision AI transforming military operations in the years to come?
AI will be integral to modern warfare. We're talking about systems that can process vast amounts of data in real time, autonomous drones that can execute missions, and AI platforms that support battlefield decision-making. These advancements could reduce human casualties, enhance the precision of our operations, and speed up strategic responses. But, AI is a tool, not a replacement for human expertise. It will always require oversight. The future of military technology is no longer just about weapons, but about the integration of artificial intelligence, AI that could reshape how nations defend and protect their people. But what does this mean for the soldiers on the ground and the scientists behind the tech?
Today, we explore how AI is becoming a pivotal force in military strategy, from autonomous drones to AI-driven battlefield decision-making. I'll be speaking with experts to understand where this technology is heading. Colonel, how do you see AI playing a role in the future of military operations?
AI will become a critical part of decision-making. Imagine real-time data analysis, autonomous vehicles, and even AI systems that can predict enemy movements. This technology could reduce human casualties and increase the precision of our operations. But it's also important that AI complements human judgment, not replace it entirely.
Dr. Patel, you've been working on AI systems that assist in military operations. What are some of the ethical concerns you face while developing these technologies?
It's a delicate balance. We're building systems that can make decisions based on patterns, but we need to ensure these AI systems are transparent and accountable. AI must always be controlled by humans, and there are serious ethical implications when it comes to autonomous weapons.
While AI promises greater efficiency, speed, and intelligence in military operations, the potential risks are immense. What happens when technology outpaces human oversight?
The responsibility lies in the hands of military leadership. AI must be used as a tool, not a replacement. We need strict protocols, constant training, and an ethical framework to make sure that AI decisions align with international law and human rights. As AI continues to evolve, its potential to transform warfare is undeniable. But with great power comes great responsibility. The question remains, how do we ensure these advancements don't undermine the very humanity they're meant to protect?
AI in military technology holds enormous promise, but its future depends on the decisions we make today. In the end, it's not just about technology, it's about ensuring that it serves the greater good.